Hi, welcome along. We're going back to 1965 today with a song made famous by the Searchers in the UK, done really well for them. I think got to #1. This is called When You Walk in the Room. Do hope you like it. It's got a great riff that runs all the way through and some great chords that I do believe a beginner guitarist should be able to get their teeth into. So stick around. If you like today's video, don't forget to do me a massive favour, guys. I'm most grateful if you could click like and subscribe for me. That does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And with all that said and done, if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right then, so here we go. So first off, what we're going to do, this is the riff. Okay, so let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're going to make an A chord. So we're going to first, second, third fingers in the 2nd fret on the D string, G string and B string. There we go. A chord, okay? So I'm going to call the string numbers. So counting from the bottom, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to, first off, we're going to play string 4. So that's 4, 3, 2, and then back to 3. So 4, 3, 2, 3, and then we're going to play the 2nd string, but we're going to lift our finger off. So we're going to play the 2nd string open. Okay, so what we've got now is 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, open. Then we're going to put our 3rd finger, the one we've just lifted off, on the 2nd fret of the first string, the E string. Okay, so we get that note. So all together. And then we're going to put it back to the A chord again. So we're going to play the 2nd fret of the B string again. So all together. Then put it back, and then E string open, and then 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then open, and then on, off, so all together. Okay, so that's the whole riff, and then we start again. So 4, 3, 2, 2 open. Sorry, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2 open. Then 2nd fret of the E string, and then put the finger back on the 2nd fret of the B string, and then E string open, and then going back up again. So on, off. So one more time for you. So 4, 3, 2, 3, B string open, and then 2nd fret E string. So we've got, and then back on the 2nd fret of the B string, and then open E, and then on off with the 2nd fret of the B string. See? And then we start again. Right, I'm going to try and get as close to the camera as I can for you. So. So that is the riff. So we're going to do the strum pattern and go down, down, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Here's your chords. So we've got A to start with. A. And then of course you've got the riff. So we've got the A, up to E. I'll show you E. There we go, the E chord. And then D. Back to E. A. Then F sharp minor. And then A, D, sorry, D, D, A, E, all downstrokes, and back to A. So let's go through that again. So we've got A, so we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, up, A. Up to the E, D, E, A, F sharp minor, D, D, A, E, down, 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 and back to A. Right, so that is how you play the verses. I just want to add a little riff in for you. So the other thing that happens quite nicely on the lead guitar. So we got A down and ba 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 da ba 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 bum ba ba da da dee da. Then up to E, and then he goes. The way that's done is E string, open B string, and then we're going to go little finger. So while we're in the chord of E, so we're going to open E, open B, and then we've got the little finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and then E string again. So we've got E, B, 3rd fret, B string, E string open, and then we've got B, E, B, little finger on, and then E string, go. And then we've got trumpet sound and I hear E, A, F sharp minor. Let me show you an F sharp minor for your beginners. We're going to bar all 6 strings, and then on the 4th fret we're going to play with our 3rd finger, 4th fret A string, and 4th fret with our D string with our little finger. That's an F sharp minor. D, D, A, E, down, 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 and back to A. Right, so that's the verses and the riffs. Let's get to the middle 8, or also known as the bridge. We've got we've got a D, then a D flat minor. Let me show you a D flat minor. 4th fret with our 1st finger, and then we're going to go 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the B string, and on the 6th fret of the D string we're going to have our 3rd finger and our 4th finger just underneath on the 6th fret of the G string. That gives us a D flat minor. Now what you can do, and probably was happening for the Searchers there, they was probably doing a D as a bar chord. So they was bridging all 6 strings on the 5th fret and holding down 4, 3, 2, slightly lifting off for the 1st string. That's given us a D chord, so they would have gone, so just gone down, so, and then to E. So we got D, 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 D. So D and D flat minor and E. Or if you don't like it that way, you can do the open D, 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 D flat minor, E. D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. going to do a B. B. And back to E. Let me take you through that middle 8 one more time. So we've got D, 2, 3, 4, D flat minor, D to E, A, F sharp minor, then B. You can do B as a bar chord by holding down 4, 3, 2 on the 4th fret and barring all 6, or you can do a B like that, but you can only play 4 strings like that if you're going to play the open version. Yeah. So we got D, B flat, E, D, D flat minor, E, and then A, F sharp minor, B, and then E, and then back to A. Sharp minor, D, E, A, E, back to A. So there we have it, When You Walk in the Room by the Searchers. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for any songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So with all that said and done, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.